As I work on that approach to getting this done, I focus. I use reMarkable in just about every facet of the work that I do. I'm a coach, I'm a consultant, I'm a college lecturer, I do research, I'm working on a book. Writing in all of these different ways used to make it confusing often to keep track of things. I'm not a naturally organized person, but reMarkable really takes a lot of the work out of that. It's just really helpful to have a central place where everything is. One of the things I love about reMarkable is that I can go wherever I need to. Sometimes I just need a different environment and to be able to fluidly move from the work that I was doing in the office to another location, something that I really value. I can be in the middle, of gardening and an idea comes to mind and I can take advantage of that energy when it strikes me. It's great to be spontaneous in that way. I'm the sort of person who really loves the feeling of the pen on the page. There's that almost artist connection to the paper. And that's one of the things that I really love about it is that feel, that texture, that it actually feels like you're writing on paper. It's really a satisfying writing experience. It takes me into a whole different headspace. It doesn't feel so much like work.